Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will discover why many persons got this simple algebraic expression wrong, and you will also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS, BIDMAS or BODMAS. Now, look at what many persons did in my first solution right here. They had this 10 minus 10 divided by 10 minus 10. Here, they started the simplification following this order of operation here. Now here, 10 minus 10, that's 0, divided by 10 minus 10. When right here, they had this 0 divided by here 10 minus 10, that's 0. When lastly, they had this 0 divided by 0, that's 0. But this very answer here is wrong. Therefore, this approach they did apply here is completely wrong. Now, to simplify this expression correctly, we are going to have this 10 minus 10 divided by 10 minus 10. At this very point, we are going to follow this order of operation we call PEMDAS. Or here you can still apply BIDMAS or BODMAS, both to give you the same answer if you apply any of these correctly. Now, from this order of operations, we have here parentheses, but there's no parentheses here. We also have here exponents, no exponents here. We have multiplication, no multiplication here. We have division here, no addition. We have subtraction right here. Now, following this order, we are going to start the simplification with division here, because this order of operation is moved from left to right, and division is of higher priority than subtraction right here. Then now, we start with this. And we are going to have a 10 minus 10 divided by 10, that will give us 1. Minus 10. Then at this very point, you can take your subtraction in either way. You can have a 10 minus 1, and you can also do this way, minus 1 minus 10. Then right here, let us do this. We have 10 minus 1, that will give us 9. Then minus 10. And lastly, we are going to have here 9 minus 10, and that will give us minus 1. We have here minus 1. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're already done that, thank you so much. And make sure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.